at that time there was no paper to make a kite. The people used to make a kite a piece of cloth. So Maui's mother gave him a piece of cloth, and for the sticks, have you ever made a kite? कभी आपने काइट बनाई है? काइट बनाने के लिए आपको एक फ्रेम की ज़रूरत होती है. So Maui had taken a bamboo sticks to make a frame of the kite, and Olona shrub. He had taken the Olona shrub to make a strong rope. Olona shrub is a kind of plant. उस प्लांट से प्लांट की स्टेम से उसने क्या बनाया? एक रोप बनाई फॉर फ्लाइंग द काइट. Maui's kite was a work of art. Maui's kite was very beautiful. He told himself, I must get a special wind to fly my kite. So that time the wind was very slow. So Maui wanted to fly his kite at the high speed. So he said that मुझे मेरी काइट स्पेशल है, तो मुझे मेरी काइट फ्लाई करने के लिए एक स्पेशल विंड चाहिए होगी. I will go to the keeper of the winds. She will let me have the perfect wind to make my kite fly really high. So Maui said that his kite is very special, so he needed to a special way to fly the kite. So he go to the priest. Who is priest? उस टाइम पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्टॉर्म आ गया था, तो एक प्रिस्ट थे उनकी हवाई के. उन्होंने जो विंड थी उसको अपने एक बॉक्स में क्लोज करके रख लिया था, लाइक दैट. ओके, तब से विंड वहाँ पर थोड़ी स्लो रहती थी. सो Maui told that he needed the wind very high. So he said that he will go to the keeper of the winds. Keeper of the winds means who have wind. She will let me have the perfect wind to make my kite fly really high. जिससे मेरी kite really high fly करेगी. His friends happily gathered around to help him carry his kite to the keeper of the wind, and his friends also helped him to go there. Maui के सारे friends उसके साथ keeper of the wind के पास गए. And as a group paraded through the village, everybody left their work and came to watch. Maui के साथ उसके सारे friends as a parade, walking in a large group in orderly fashion to celebrate. Means parade. Have you ever seen parade? Means line by line चलना. So वैसे ही जब वो Maui के पीछे back to back गए, तो everybody left their work and came to watch. सभी उनको देखने के लिए आ गए. When the group finally approached the cave of the wind, they could see the keeper of the winds sitting by. When the group finally approached the cave of the wind, they could see the keeper of the winds sitting by the entrance. सारे बॉयज़ का ग्रुप जब केव के नियर जाते हैं तो उन्हें जो कीपर ऑफ द विंड्स थे वो एंट्रेंस पे ही मिल जाते हैं. So Maui said that, "Oh keeper of the winds, listen, keeper of the winds, please bring Ipu, Iki, the small god that holds the gentle breezes, and let us fly our kite. Please, keeper of the winds, please give me a god." What is god? A fleshy vegetable with a thick skin that holds the gentle breeze. Means this kinds of a vegetable which is looking like a god. Okay, so god के अंदर ही वो विंड थी. तो बॉय ने बोला, मावी ने बोला कि प्लीज़ कीपर ऑफ द विंड, प्लीज़ ब्रिंग योर गॉड एंड लेट द विंड फ्री. विंड को फ्री कर दीजिए जिससे कि मेरी काइट क्या हो सके, फ्लाई हो सके. The keeper was a wise old woman. She knew that the gentle winds of Ipu Iki would play kindly with the boy. So she went into her cave and returned carrying a small god and singing her song. Keeper of the wind was a old woman and she was very intelligent. She knew that the wind is very kind. जब बॉय उस विंड के साथ खेलेगा तो विंड उसको हार्म नहीं करेगी और बहुत ही जेंटली उसके साथ प्ले करेगी. स्टॉर्म नहीं आएगा उस टाइम पे. तो वो अंदर गई और वो अपना गार्ड लेकर के आई और विंड को क्या कर दिया, फ्री कर दिया.